Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit Web for one more learning video tutorial. And today I'm gonna talk about how we can do an easy installation of Python packages in AWS Lambda. Okay, so earlier I have done a video, so I suggest that you should go and watch. It is related to AWS Lambda serverless computing, explained step by step. So what happens, I have given the explanation, what is the need of AWS Lambda, how we can utilize, how we can test certain stuff. Okay, so all of the things have been explained, and whatever AWS Lambda and its services, how you can utilize free of cost. So a number of things are there. Okay, especially how you can create the function, how you can create the AWS Lambda, how you can get in Python. Okay, so all of the things have been explained. Just check with these things. Okay, and one more video I suggest here, if I am going with the Python package, since if we are doing any kind of a trading, we definitely required some of the module, and that module helps in trading, especially this automate trades in Zerodha, where I've been utilized this request module to get the LTP codes. Okay, so I've shown certain things which you can check it out, and this is the same which you can utilize to place the order. Okay, so I'm gonna install some of the standard packages, and that will be an easy and smooth way. Okay, so if we go through the AWS Lambda, so I've been already created the functions. Okay, so you can also do the same, and the lambda function.py is ready. Now the main point is what happens is, suppose if you want to go with any kind of a say trading or analysis part, you require pandas, numpy, request. Okay, so three things are required. So if I just go with lambda function.py, so you require dependencies. So without pip install, if you just try to import certain things, you will get an error. Okay, so I will show it here. So what happens if I say a lambda handler is also required. Okay, so if you just try to create the functions, you will get this stuff. So I just need event comma context. Okay, so these are the things I require, and what we can suggest here, we will try to return some stuff. Okay, so we can utilize this. So we say hello from lambda, or we can say hello from profit data web. Okay, so at least you will recognize that this is different code and it is running. Now what happens is, suppose if I just just deploy. So first thing is, after deploy, when you want to test, okay, to test this stuff after deployment, you need to create an event. Okay, so it is asking for to create new test event. So with the help of this, what happens, you will be able to execute. Okay, you will get the output. So it is necessary. So we'll say this as a trade, and we will save this. Okay, so we will try to keep it as simple as possible. Okay, so this is you need to do. Now what happens, it is already deployed. If I just click on test, so we'll get hello from profit data web. So this is my response which I am getting. Okay, so if I say that after this, what happens, say suppose if inbuilt functions are there. So if I say import JSON, okay, so import JSON, what will do, it is easy to get this stuff. Okay, so some of the inbuilt functions required to import, and you won't face any issues. So if I say import JSON, it is okay for me. Okay, but if I get with any kind of a other module, okay, say import pandas, okay, as PD, if I say this way, and deploy. Before executing or test, you need to deploy, then you need to test. Okay, so if I just click on the test, what happens? I will face an issues. So what it suggested, that no module pandas is available. Okay, so now what happens, this especially lambda functions, or say lambda, it is getting properly executed with the help of Amazon Linux. Okay, I mean whatever the platform has been created, it is dealing with Linux itself. Okay, so if you want to deal with these things, you can create the package outside in a Linux, and then you can import this stuff. Okay, so it will be executable, otherwise you will face issues. Now what we can do, we can get to the layers part. So this is a wonderful way to add the packages. So all I have to say, add a layer. Okay, so I have to say AWS a layer. Okay, just click on this stuff, and you just have to say AWS SDK pandas. Okay, Python 3.10. So if you just click on this one and choose the version whichever available, and just say add. Now what happens, your the module error will get eradicated, and you will be able to import. Okay, so three things required: pandas, request, and numpy. This is enough to get analyze or to code the algo trading. Okay, and as suggested, we got this stuff. Now it is already deployed. If I say test, so without issues, I will get executed. Okay, hello from Profit Data Web, without any issues. Okay, so if I call other stuff, I'll definitely gonna get this error issues. Now what we can do, we can still try to execute certain stuff. So I will call the import request. Okay, and what we can say, we will try to call these instruments, which we can say as request. Okay, dot get, and here I have to give the URL, which will be our instrument URL. Okay, this we need to call. Okay, so if I run this stuff, this is a huge stuff, but we will try to get this stuff, and we'll see whether it is works or not. Okay, so we'll just say print instruments, and we'll see this whether it is working or not. So we'll try to test. If we get printed, then we are good to go. Okay, so it's suggested that we are getting some JSON decode error or something. Okay, so we'll try to rectify this stuff. We will try to take this as an instrument.txt only, because the response I think I'm getting as in text. So let it be. Okay, so I will say test. So as you can see, I'm just showing you some of running stuff. So as we can see, we are getting some of values, some of a file which contains all of this stuff. Now say request is definitely gonna working, so it is best. And now say suppose we got any kind of as this, we can download then CSV file. So what we can say, we can create a file. So we'll say new file, and we will name them as an instruments .csv. Okay, and if I open this stuff and just paste it, and then what happens, the pandas will come in roll. Okay, so I can take it out this stuff, and we can say read underscore CSV, and yes, CSV, what will do, it will read the instruments. Okay, so we get this stuff and try to see how we can utilize. So while reading, we can say in this way, and just we will try to print the instruments. So in this way, what happens, we will able to see that our pandas is working. Okay, so we'll just test this stuff. Okay, so as you can see, it is executing, and I able to import these CSV files, which I can analyze and try to see what are the things I can do. Okay, so I suggest this is the way you can go. So you got the point, is an easiest way, and other stuff can check. Okay, if you want to, like, want to create test or something, you can utilize this stuff. Okay, monitor versions, so all of the stuff you can do, especially some of the things which you want to change it, you can just say edit and can do try. Okay, so I prefer this is the way you should go for it, and can have the Python packages and try to analyze and try to trade from your side. Okay, so at least this is free of stuff, and the limitations are there, so you need to check. Okay, and definitely this is a useful stuff, so I must say do try from your side. And if you get any doubt, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp. Thank you.